As your governor, I have failed you. I did not have direct knowledge, even though he probably did. He's not going to admit it. I did not have direct knowledge or involvement in this fraud scandal. Good morning, Tyler. But it happened under my watch. It happened under the watch of subordinate leaders that I put in place. Therefore, it is my fault, nobody else's. I am not seeking re-election because the citizens of Minnesota deserve better. But what I will do is spend the next year fixing the problem, getting it under control, holding those accountable, including myself, holding those accountable responsible. So when a new governor that you, the citizens of Minnesota, elect, comes in, it is fixed, and we can move forward as a state. I apologize, but I give you my word. No one will be above the law, including myself. That's what a real leader would have done.